Are you experiencing credential resentment? Why your degree could be holding you back. Think about it. You invested years and thousands of dollars in your education. You studied late nights, passed exams, and walked across that stage with pride. But now, are you seeing the return on that investment you expected? Are you feeling overlooked for opportunities because someone else has the right skills, even if they don't have the same credentials? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you jumped through all of the academic hoops, earned that hard fought degree, but the career doors you expected to open haven't? Or maybe you see colleagues without the same formal education getting ahead based on their skills and leaves you feeling a little resentful. Like, if that resonates, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into a real phenomenon called credential resentment and exploring why, in today's rapidly evolving job market, your degree might not be the golden ticket it once was. What's going on here? The world of work is changing and fast. Companies are increasingly recognizing that specific skills are often more critical than a academic or broad academic background. This shift has led to the rise of skills-based hiring, where employers prioritize what you can do over where you learned it. This can lead to credential resentment, a feeling of frustration, unfairness, or even anger when you feel your hard-earned qualifications are being undervalued or ignored in favor of someone who may lack those traditional credentials but possesses the specific skills needed for the role. We are seeing this across industries. Tech companies have been early adopters, but it's spreading to marketing, healthcare, even finance. The ability to code, analyze data, run a campaign, or solve specific problems is often taking precedence over a particular degree. What I'm also specifically referring to is learning the skill of artificial intelligence. Why is this happening? Well, several factors are at play here. Firstly, the rapid pace of technological changes mean that many traditional academic curricula can struggle to keep up with the specific skills needed for emerging roles. Secondly, skills-based hiring can lead to more diverse, inclusive workforces as it opens doors to individuals who may have gained valuable skills through alternative pathways like online courses, boot camps, or on-the-job experience rather than just traditional higher education. Finally, for employers, focusing on skills can be more efficient or be a more efficient way to find candidates who can hit the ground running and immediately contribute to the team's success. Now, let's get real. Are you experiencing this credential resentment? Think about these questions. Do you frequently see job postings that emphasize specific skills you have, but you feel overlooked because you don't have the right degree listed? Have you been passed over for promotions or opportunities in favor of colleagues with different backgrounds but perhaps more directly relevant skills? Or do you sometimes feel like your years of study are being devalued in the current job market? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are not alone. And it's important to acknowledge those feelings now so you can start planning, or you can start looking ahead in terms of what you need to do to change your situation. Well, the good news is you are not powerless in this situation. Here are some key steps you can take to navigate this shift and thrive in a skills-based economy. Highlight and identify your skills. Don't just rely on your degree. Make a detailed inventory of all your hard and soft skills. Think about projects you've completed, experiences you've had, and what you are genuinely good at doing. Focus on continuous learning. The job market is constantly evolving. Embrace lifelong learning. Take online courses, attend workshops, earn certifications that directly align the skills employers are seeking in your field. But place at the top of your list AI, artificial intelligence. That's very, very important. Now don't just tell people what you have done. Instead of just listing your degree on your resume, showcase your skills through projects, portfolios, and quantifiable achievements. Use action verbs and provide concrete examples of how you've applied your skills in the past. Network. Connect with people in your industry who value skills. Attend industry events, join online communities, and build relationships that go beyond just educational backgrounds. Reframe your perspective. Understand that your degree is still valuable, but it's now one piece of the puzzle. Focus on how your foundational knowledge combined with new skills can make you a uniquely strong candidate. The rise of skills-based hiring isn't about devaluing education. It's about recognizing the diverse pathways to expertise and creating a more agile and adaptable workforce. By focusing on your skills, embracing continuous learning, and showcasing your abilities effectively, you can not only overcome credential resentment, but also position yourself for greater success in the future of work. What are your thoughts on this topic? Have you experienced credential resentment? Share your stories and tips in the comments right below in my description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more career insights. I've also included a special electronic notes file for you to look at and guide you through what your next course of action should be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.